Hello, little friends! Did you know that when we leave an apple or a banana for a long time, it starts to appear like it has little hairs? And that's when Mum tells us that the fruit is already rotten and you can't eat it. Do you know what those little hairs are? They are fungus, like these ones as well. Let's learn about fungi, the Fungi Kingdom. The first thing you should know is that fungi are living beings, like plants and animals, but they are not plants because they cannot make their own food. For this reason, they are heterotrophs. That is, they feed by absorption because they are decomposers. Fungi rot things, like that banana that you didn't eat, and with time, begin to change its appearance until it has mold and the resulting product, in this case, the decomposed banana, is the food of the fungus, and this absorbs what is left of the banana. They are not animals either, since they do not have sense organs and cannot move. Interesting, right? Let's learn other characteristics of fungi. We already know that a fungus is a living being, but of multicelled or unicellular type, which means that they are formed by one or more than one cell. These cells are eukaryotic, which means that they possess nucleus, mitochondria, endomembrane systems, and other typical features of eukaryotic cells. This makes it possible to distinguish microscopic fungi from prokaryotic bacteria. They are immobile, and they usually live in humid places like rotting food or on the floor of some places in the jungle. Mushrooms exist throughout our wonderful planet and in different habitats. We also find them in different forms and presentations. For example, this traditional fungus, the mushroom, with the shape of a little house and an elongated white body. But we also find many others that are even microscopic, which means that to observe them, we need a microscope in a laboratory. In nature, guys, there are some fungi that rot the things they eat, such as the one that appears in the forgotten food. These can be harmful if we eat them. They also appear in plants, and others can appear even in animals or humans, destroying tissues such as skin. However, there are many others that are beneficial or edible, such as mushrooms or truffles. Other fungi help in processes such as the fermentation of many products, such as the one that develops in Roquefort cheese or blue cheese, or yeasts, a type of fungus that is used to grow bread. But did you know that a fungus was used to create the first antibiotic used by humans, called penicillin? Yeah, it has been a great discovery of science that has helped save many lives. Wow, interesting, right? And finally, fungi reproduce through spores. I'll explain it to you with an example. This fungus has very small spores that are very resistant to the environment that, when they fall on a surface with the optimal conditions to develop, germinate and create a new specimen of the fungus. These small spores are like the seeds of trees, and once they find the right conditions, their growth can be so fast. In some cases, it can even be seen with the naked eye. For example, a tropical fungus grows about 5 millimeters per minute. Wow! Fantastic!